Disney Plus Sign Up. Disney Plus provides a simple and convenient sign-up process for new subscribers. The service offers various subscription plans, including standalone options and bundled packages with Hulu and ESPN Plus. Signing up requires creating an account, selecting a plan, and entering payment details before accessing the content library. 1. Visit the Disney Plus website or app. Go to the official Disney Plus website or download the Disney Plus app on your preferred device. The service is available on smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and gaming consoles. 2. Click on the Sign Up button. On the homepage, locate and click the Sign Up Now or Get Started button. This will direct you to the registration page. Enter your email address. Provide a valid email address to create your Disney Plus account. Ensure the email is correct, as it will be used for verification and future account-related communications. Create a secure password. Choose a strong password for your account. It should include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for security. Select a subscription plan. Disney Plus offers different plans, including monthly and annual subscriptions. You may also choose a bundle that includes Hulu and ESPN Plus for additional content. Enter payment information. Provide payment details such as a credit, debit card, or PayPal to complete your subscription. Some regions may offer alternative payment methods. 7. Confirm and complete the sign-up. Review your subscription details, agree to the terms and conditions, and click on the confirmation button to finalize your sign-up. 8. Start watching content. Once your sign-up is successful, you can log into Disney Plus and start streaming movies and TV shows. Customize your profile settings and explore available content. Disney Plus makes signing up easy with a user-friendly process. Whether subscribing for yourself or your family, the platform provides various plans to suit different viewing needs. After signing up, users can immediately enjoy exclusive Disney, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic content.